What is up, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys the Adidas Response running shoe. I just got these in the mail today, and I've been running in these for a while, but this is the first time I'm going to get the white and blue one, and just going to show them to you guys. So they're a pretty thin shoe underneath. They're not too deep in terms of padding down here, and this is the size 10.5. They're going to come with some padding inside, of course, and outside like that. They're pretty easy to get going. The laces came on it, done, so I don't have to worry about that. And now I can just throw it on. So try to remain filming while doing this. Yep, nothing in there. And it fits pretty snug. Pretty well, I should say. This is a size 10.5, and I'm usually wearing a 10.5, ties real easily too. Laces aren't too long. And yeah, no need for relacing. But there are 2 more holes up here for it if you need it. And I'm excited to run in these. Hope this helped you guys out, and have a good day.